Welcome to my channel.
What are the most important Bluebird bus parts for fleet maintenance now? 1. Brake pads and drums. Reliable brakes keep buses running. Keeping spare brake pads and drums helps you fix wear fast and avoid delays.
2. Filters, air and oil. Engines breathe and run on clean oil. Having both air's filters and oil filters in stock means quick swaps and longer engine life. 3. Belts and hoses. These are small but essential. They wear out quicker than you think, and a snapped belt or cracked hose can shut a bus down instantly. Always keep extras ready. For batteries and lights, a dead battery or burned out light will sideline a bus just as fast as a major breakdown. Keeping spares avoids delays and keeps your buses safe and road legal. 5. Tires and mirrors. Tires take a beating, and mirrors are easy to damage. Having both on hand means you're never stuck waiting for replacements and your buses stay safe to drive. Thanks for watching.